Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Austin. Um, well, I am bringing you back another YouTube video. We're gonna do work on this. Not today, anyways, but my other bike, you guys, I did a bike check on it. It's at my grandma's. But yeah, we're gonna do stuff to this. I'll do some progress. I already took the tires off. Took the thing off. It's all the crap is screwed up. My friend wanted it. I used it for a while and actually thought it would be funny and drove it into a pond, or jumped it into a pond. Well, he screwed my tire up. Tire is right there. Yeah, I got. This is my shed area. I work on crap. So, yeah, that'll be it for this video. You'll see more on this bike. It's a Hyper Go Spinner Pro model. So, alright, that'll be it for this video. Peace.